Welcome students. Today we are going to start with our chapter number 16, the universe part 2. In part 1 we have started with the chapter, we have seen about galaxy. Then we have started with the galaxy, its types of galaxies we have seen according to its shape. Then we have seen the stars, about stars and types of stars. Now today let us continue further part. Find out here some information they are asking you all to find out. Visit some sites of the institutes like ISRO and NASA and collect information about various celestial bodies in the solar system and discuss in the class. Now let us move further. Can you tell, children? They are asking some questions to all and they are telling, can you tell which celestial bodies form the solar system? Children, our solar system consists of what? The sun and the 8 planets, even meteors. Yes or no? Meteors, asteroids, these all include our solar system. This forms our solar system. What is the difference between stars and planets? Children, this you have studied right from lower class. Stars are having their own light. Planets do not have their own light. Yes or no? Third, how many planets are there in our solar system? Children, there are 8 planets. What is to be found between Mars and Jupiter? So these are some of the questions. Mars, the Mercury, Venus and Earth are the inner planets, whereas the Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune are the outer planets. Okay. Children, what is found between the Mars and Jupiter? This Mars, till Mars it is the inner planet. Afterwards remaining are the outer planets. Outer planets have rings around them. The crust of all the inner planets is hard. The outer planets have gaseous outer cover. Okay. The solar system. Let us study in detail about solar system. The solar system consists of what, children? The sun, the planets, asteroids, comets and meteors. The planets Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter and Saturn can be easily seen. Now let us study in the very first thing in our solar system comes the sun. So let us study in detail about the sun. The sun, which is at the center of the solar system, is a yellow colored star. Children, it is a yellow colored star. Yes or no, children? It's a yellow color star. Then its surface temperature. What is its temperature, children? This surface temperature, if you see, it's around 6000 degrees Celsius. That is why it is called as a ball of fire. Yes or no? The size of the sun is so huge, children, that around 13 lakh planets of the size of Earth can be easily placed within it. It is so huge that 13 lakh planets of same size of Earth can be fitted into it. Due to the gravitational force of the sun, the celestial bodies in the solar system revolve around it. There is a gravitational force between the other planets, that is 8 planets and the solar system. That is why the planets keep on revolving around the sun. The diameter of the sun is approximately 13 lakh 92,000. This diameter, this is a circular pole. Sun is a circular. So if you look at this diameter, it's how much? 13 lakh 92,000 kilometer. The sun rotates around its axis. While doing so, it revolves around the center. It rotates also and revolves also, and taking the solar system along with it. Solar system is all the other 8 planets also it takes around it. Now let us see some information about the solar system, facts and figures. Very important, this table. Children, Mercury, how many satellites it has? 0. Inclination of axis in degrees, it is 0.01. Period of rotation, it takes how many days to revolve around itself? 58.65. And revolution, it takes 88 days. Around the sun, it takes 88 days. Magnetism, there is no magnetism on this earth, on this planet. There is no atmosphere also in this planet, and there are no rings. We have seen the rings are to the outer planets only. For the Venus also, no satellites. Inclination of axis in degrees, it is 177.2 degree. Period of rotation is 243 and period of revolution is 225. Magnetism, no. Here the atmosphere exists on Venus and rings it does not have. Earth, on the planet in which we live. See, very important about Earth. Earth has one satellite, that is the moon, everybody knows. its inclination axis is 23.5. Okay, period of rotation 24 hours. You know, Earth takes 1 day to revolve around itself, and to revolve around the sun it takes 365 days. There is a magnetism exists because Earth itself is a magnet. Atmosphere exists, that is why human beings can live on the Earth. There are no rings. Then next planet is Mars. Mars has 2 satellites. Inclination of axis 25.2. Period of rotation see 24 hours 37 minutes. Period of revolution is 1.88. There is no magnetism, there is atmosphere exist, and no rings. Okay. Then next is Jupiter. Jupiter has 64 satellites. Inclination axis is 3.1. Period of rotation is 9 hours 56 minutes. Period of revolution is 11.87 years. Magnetism yes, atmosphere yes, and rings it has. Next one is Saturn. Saturn has 33 satellites. Inclination of axis is 26.7 degree. Period of rotation 10 hours 40 minutes. Period of revolution is 29 years. Magnetism exists yes, atmosphere also exists, and rings are also yes. Similarly, Uranus 27 satellites it has. Okay, then inclination of axis is 97.9. Period of rotation is 17 hours 24 minutes. Period of revolution is 84 years. Magnetism exists yes. Atmosphere is also there on Uranus, and rings are also there on Uranus. Neptune 13 satellites it has. Inclination of axis is 28.8 degree. Period of rotation to revolve around itself, Neptune takes 16 hours 11 minutes. Period of revolution it takes 164 years to revolve around the sun. There is a magnetism exists on Neptune, and there is no atmosphere, and there is an atmosphere, and rings are also there. So this is the numbers, facts and figures about our planets. Now let us study in detail about each planet. The first planet is Mercury, children. This planet is closest to the sun. If you see in the solar system, the next to the sun is the Mercury, children. Okay, it is visible in the morning and in the evening if it is away from the sun. It is visible, we can see it, okay, in the morning and evening if it is away from the sun. A number of depressions which look like volcanic craters but are actually caused by meteoric falls can be seen on the surface. On this Mercury, you will see some pits, okay, that are formed due to the meteoric falls. Meteoric falls means the stars when they come down and break and they falls on the Mercury. This meteoric falls happens, and that is why the Mercury is having what pits on it. Okay, Mercury is the fastest moving planet, children. Remember that it is the closest to the sun. The next one is the Venus, children. It is the brightest planet in the solar system. It shines, okay, brightest. It is seen in the sky in the east before the sunrise and in the west after the sunset. It rotates around itself from east to west. Its rotation is from east to west. It is the hottest planet. Its special characteristic is that it is the hottest planet, it is the brightest planet, remember all this, and it rotates from east to west. The next planet is the Earth on which we live. It is the third planet from the sun, children. You see, the Earth is the third planet in the solar system. No other planet other than Earth has life on it. You will find living things living mostly on Earth only. Okay, so life is existing on this planet. As the Earth is a magnet, there is a magnetic field around the Earth. Earth itself is a gigantic magnet. So where there is a magnetic field also exists. Because of magnetic field, what happens? It diverts the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun towards the polar region. These are the poles, North Pole and South Pole. So whatever harmful rays are coming from the sun, they are diverted towards this poles. Okay. The next planet, fourth planet, is the Mars. It is the fourth planet in the solar system. As the soil on Mars contains iron, its color is reddish. Hence Mars is also called red planet. Children, the very important characteristic of this planet Mars is that the soil on Mars contains iron, hence its color is reddish. You will see the soil color is reddish because it contains what in it? Iron. Hence Mars is also called as a red planet because of iron content in it. The highest, and one more feature is that highest and longest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, is located on Mars. On Mars, highest mountain is located, whose name is Olympus Mons. The next planet is Jupiter. This is the largest planet of the solar system. Remember, the children, it is so huge that as many as 1397 planets of the size of Earth can get accommodated in it. It is so huge planet that, children, same size of Earth, 1397 planets can be getting accommodated in this planet. So it is the largest planet. Okay, even though the planet is so huge, it revolves around itself with a great speed. Though it is a huge planet, it revolves with a great speed around itself, and it is also called as a stormy planet because storms occur frequently on it. Okay, winds blow here. Then next planet is a Saturn. It is the sixth planet of the solar system and next only to Jupiter in size. Size is same, near about. It is considered to be a peculiar planet. Children, this planet can be easily identified because of the ring around itself. The Saturn can be easily identified because it has a rings around it. Though its mass is 95 times that of the Earth, its density is low. Children, its mass is greater than Earth, but its density is low. That is why when this planet is dropped into the sea, you will see that it does not settles down. It will float on the sea. Okay, it will not settle down. Okay, the next planet is the Uranus. It is the seventh planet in the solar system. It cannot be seen without a telescope, children. Its axis is so greatly inclined that it appears to be rolling along on its orbit. Okay, its axis is so inclined, it is so crossed, no children, that it is we think that it appears to be rolling along its orbit. It is the seventh planet in the solar system. The next planet is a Neptune. It is the last planet, eighth planet in the solar system. Neptune's characteristic is that one season lasts here for 41 years. On Earth, how season changes after three months. Okay, 3 to 4 months. But here, one season lasts for 41 years on this planet. Okay, and on this planet, winds blow with extremely high speed. That is the main characteristic of this planet. So here we have ended with about 8 planets. The next part we will see about satellite, asteroid, dwarf planets and comets in detail. So till then, revise your lesson till here.